Anna Nicole Smith, slimmer and sexier than ever before, some say. The reality TV star dropping 80 pounds, getting back into model shape. Joining us in the studio to talk about it, Bonnie Fuller, the Executive Vice President and Chief Editorial Director for American Media, Inc. How did she do it? Pills?
She did use diet pills. They're called Trim Spa pills. Now, they have no ephedra in them. We checked them out. They're quite safe. And it really worked. I mean, 80 pounds. It took her, I think, about 6 months. 7 months.
Now, did we notice this? I mean, this is a person who the cameras are trained on all the time. You think you would have sort of seen the progress as opposed to these dramatic before and after shots. Did she keep a low profile or something?
She absolutely did.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
She was very determined to lose the weight. She was very determined to surprise everybody. So she did, like, keep herself out of sight. It was a total shock.
They weren't taping her reality show during that period?
She started right at the end of apparently the last season, the last taping, and she had a DVD launch for the show last week, and so nobody had seen her in months.
Wow.
They were shocked.
Now, the pictures we're looking at, I hope I'm not putting my foot in my mouth here, were these her more buxom times, shall we say? This is before?
Yes.
These are the before. That's got to be a before shot.
That is definitely a before shot.
You know, I actually interviewed her here once, and if I tell you the number of people who remarked upon that interview. So, but what's the deal? I mean, isn't part of the charm, if you will, of her reality show just sort of watching her be kind of a train wreck?
I think, you know, listen, she's a real person. She got upset. She knew people were laughing behind her back, and she didn't want it anymore. It hurt her feelings. She wanted to feel healthy. She wanted to be happy looking in the mirror. I mean, we can understand that.
I can understand wanting to lose weight, absolutely. All right, well, good to talk to you. As always, Bonnie Fuller, Executive VP, Chief Editorial Director for American Media, Inc., all about Anna Nicole. Thank you, Bonnie.
Thank you.